What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sports Science Excel. This is episode number 7, where we're going to talk about multiple ways to paste. So just to get started here, I have a little section of what would be in a template, and we have some numbers, some text that are reference ranges. This representing 70% of their max, and then here we have some formulas to calculate 70% as well as 75 up to 80. Okay, so I just wanted to include some formulas and to show how we can properly paste and include the formulas. And we're not going to get into absolute and relative referencing within the formulas in this episode, but stay tuned. Next episode we'll talk more about that. Okay, so here I just want to copy this, and I'm just going to come here and paste as you normally would, and you can see that the columns do not adjust. Okay, the format, the color, and the borders, everything transfers over, but the columns don't adjust. And we'd have to go in and manually adjust things. And this, if you think about building a template, we might be copying and pasting one template that we create over 10 other pages for multiple weeks to come. So this could become a big hassle if we had to adjust all of these columns on all these pages. So some other options we have is, if you right click or double click, you can come to paste special. Let's just click here, and you can paste the values. Okay, and I'm just gonna select OK. So this, like it says, it only pastes the values. It doesn't include the formatting of the cells, the color, the font. Even you can see that the value was pasted here as opposed to the formula. So the formula is still present here, but if I just paste the values, then that formula disappears. Okay, so if I need something to adjust, then this isn't going to be the ideal way to paste, because I'm getting rid of the formulas. And so if we come here, do the same thing, double click, pull up this paste special, I can select paste formulas. And now you see it pastes in the same manner, but those formulas are still included. Okay, it doesn't include all of the editing that I've done for the font and the colors, but it still includes the formulas. Okay, now for transpose, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy this row, and let's say I wanted this in column format, which might be useful for if, let's say, I was creating a database and I wanted it identical as some of my headers. Then I could come here, and then this, you can see those arrows. If you hover over, it'll tell you this is the transpose paste. So I'm paste there, and now you see it's pasted vertically as opposed to horizontally. So that can be very useful as well. Let's continue on over to these other pasting options. So first, let me copy this. Now I'm gonna paste the formatting. Actually, I'm just gonna come here. Let's pull that up again. Oh, sorry. Believe it's this one. Yep, formatting. So now I have a blank, no cells are filled. Now I'm only left with the formatting. Okay, this can also be useful if you have maybe a style template that you really like, but you want to include different formulas or different information. Then you can copy and paste it and paste the format, and then build it as you please. Okay, so with that, let's make sure that's still copied. So our paste keep source formatting. Let's see. I think I need to come to this one. Keep source formatting. Bear with me here. There we go. So same thing, very similar to, let's see, our regular paste option. So this also, maintains the formula within the pasting. After pasted, the formulas are still present. So that could be another way to paste it as well. And then one that I find really helpful is keep column widths. So just as it says, when you paste with column widths, it's going to adjust the column so you don't have to go in and manually change anything. So sometimes, let's see, keep column widths. Let's just go here, column widths, select that, hit OK, and then you can come here. Let's see, I must have copied the wrong one. Yes, I have the wrong one selected. Okay, bear with me 1 second. I'm going to copy this one, come over to keep column widths, hit paste. Now you see the columns adjust, and then I just hit paste again. So that I pasted the column widths, the columns automatically adjusted, and then I pasted just as you normally would. So I just hit Control V and it input that paste right into the widths that I had just adjusted. So that can be really useful, help save a lot of time when you are creating a template that maybe multiple weeks, and instead of manually adjusting everything, you can go to the next page, select keep column width, paste, and then paste your template in there. I know it saved me a lot of time. I think that these paste options can help save you a lot of time as well. So I hope that you find this useful and are able to implement it in whatever it is you're creating. So thank you for tuning in to this episode, and stay tuned for next episode. We'll talk about relative and absolute cell referencing. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.